Okay, Survi, so पहले तो congratulations for your selection in IIT Roorkee in direct PhD, and thanks you gave me your time for this interaction.
Thank you, sir.
Survi, this interaction which I'm going to have with you, this interaction will motivate thousands of students over there. Why? Because you have a very low gate score, 362, general category, computer engineer you are, and you could get in the summers you could not get admission in IITs, but in the winter you kept on applying and you got admission in prestigious management department of IIT Roorkee, and you have multiple other calls also. You were just telling me from IIT Hyderabad and all, and presently you were doing your masters I think from NIT Hamirpur. So
Yes.
should we ये interaction जो होगा, this will be quite motivational for many students, those who think that with low score they may not get it, or those who think that now in the summers we have got some NIT and now let's continue this and we should not apply in the IITs. So those students who have this thinking, they will get benefited from this interaction. So without wasting time, now I start with you, Surbi. First I want you to tell all the students about you. I mean, from which part of India you are, and what is your BTech, from which college you have done your BTech, what is your CGPA in BTech, and what was your gate score, and your category is journal as you just told me, and gate score 362, and whether you have written it with computer science, and in the summers what did you get. Up to this information you please provide first.
So I BTech in Information and Technology from IP University. I am 2019 pass out student. Then so I dropped for 1 year for the preparation of GATE, but in the first attempt I didn't qualify. Then I again started preparing for it, but then I took a job as an analyst in one of the companies in Noida. It's a Global Logic. As a data analyst, I was working there, and in the second attempt, I got a score of 362. Still, so I was like, I won't get the admission anywhere. But frankly saying, sir, my parents, they supported me a lot, and one of my close friends supported me a lot. He said, no, even if you have got low gate scores, still you should apply in each and every department, in each and every college. Somehow, maybe you'll get a call. So, my first call I got from IIT Dharwad for MS.
Okay.
But I could not qualify the second round of the interview. Still, so I was applying. So I applied in NIT Hamirpur and Mizoram at the same time. I gave interview and my interview went well. So I got call from both these colleges. So I chose NIT Hamirpur as my first preference, and I got admission into this college. Then, sir, still I was applying. I applied in October for IIT Roorkee in direct PhD because, sir, my purpose is to get a PhD degree at last. So I was like, I should directly apply for PhD, and I was also eligible because I got 8.06 CGPA in my BTech, and my academic score was also good in 10th and 12th. So I thought that I should apply there, and I was eligible for this position. So I got a call from IIT Roorkee, sir, and I gave the interview. They asked me about my job, my BTech, and also they asked me many technical questions regarding algorithm, data structures, operating system, and machine learning and AI. Since my project in BTech was based on machine learning and AI. And recently, I've also given interview for IIT Hyderabad. I applied for MTech 3 years there in computer science and AI, and I got shortlisted for computer science branch.
Okay, you went for interview in NIT Hamirpur and one more NIT during summers. So this interview was for MS program or MTech program? Normally in NIT there is no interview.
Sir, it was for MTech program and it was self-sponsored.
Okay, so you this got self-sponsored in NIT Hamirpur, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means with your CGPA of 8.06 and gate score 362, in the summers you could not get anything good, right? Can we say that?
Sir, with gate score 362, I applied in NIT Dharwad for MS program because for MS program they do not require a much higher gate score.
Yes, MS calls you can get.
Yes, sir. They expect you to have a good CGPA in your bachelor's, and gate qualified is maximum for you.
Acha, Surbhi, so could you get calls from PhD MS in summers also with this score?
I didn't apply for PhD, sir.
Achha, now, okay, so now because with this gate score, the opportunity for MS and PhD exist, and you started applying in October for all this. Now I request you to tell us something about the interview which you had in IIT Roorkee, because I believe interview is very important there. You must have made research proposal and everything. So tell us something about that interview interaction which you had with professors there.
So there were 8 people in the panel, and everyone cameras were on. And
it was online, huh? It was online.
Yes, there were 8 people, and in first time in a life, I gave interview in front of the 8 people. And they sir asked me about my bachelor's and from where I did it, and then my experience in my job, and then they asked me regarding my project. Since I'm not from MTech background, so they were asking regarding my project that I did in my BTech, and then they asked questions regarding it. Since my project was based on machine learning and AI, so they asked many questions from it, the basic questions, sir.
Okay.
And then they also asked me questions from algorithms and data structures.
Okay. So
and yes, sir. And then eventually they asked why I want to do this direct PhD, what interests me. So these basic questions they asked me. An interview, it lasts for 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Achha, what do you think? What went your way? What helped you crack it?
So frankly, that I prepared during GATE, because I have seen that in every interview they ask questions from programming, direct programming based questions, and algorithm questions they ask mostly. And secondly, sir, the project which you have done, whether it's you have done it in BTech or MTech, that matters a lot. If you are from BTech, so you should definitely focus on your project that you have done and what interests you. And if you are from MTech, they definitely ask your papers regarding your research that you have worked on. So these are the main things that you should focus on while you are going for an interview.
Okay, did they also ask you, Surbhi, which area would you like to do PhD on?
Yes, sir. They asked me that in future, in which area do you want to work on? So yes, sir.
So you had seen the profile of professors and what they were working and all.
Definitely, sir. It's my advice that if you are going for an interview, you should definitely see their research work, in which the professors are working, in which the students are working, because they can ask you about it. And also about the professors of that department, you should definitely have a little bit knowledge about the professors, that in which area they have worked on. So this matters a lot.
Okay, Surbhi, now coming back to another option which you have explored in this winter. So you were just telling about IIT Hyderabad. You have already gone for the interview, or you are waiting for the interview?
Yeah, I've already gone for the interview, but the results are not out yet.
It is MS, MTech 3 years, right?
MTech program, yes.
Can you tell us about the interview experience there also? What kind of questions?
Yes, sir. The interview experience was totally based on technical part. They asked me all the programming questions from data structures and algorithms. They asked me regarding, they gave me a programming question in the chat box itself, and they asked me to write it down and solve that on a piece of paper and present it to them. And then they asked me regarding quick sort, merge sort, their complexities. The interview was purely technical, sir.
Okay, now Surbhi, you have done job also for more than 1 year, and now you have got IIT. And by the way, I forgot to ask you, like IIT Roorkee, you are getting scholarship, right?
Yes, I am getting institute assistantship based on my GATE score itself.
And how much is that?
So they have not disclosed it yet.
Okay.
They have not disclosed it.
Okay, but I think institute scholarship is 32,000 rupees only.
Yes, sir. Approx this much.
Okay. So now, Surbhi, coming to now this second part. So you have done job also, and now you have got selected in Roorkee also. What career opportunities you are looking for you after direct PhD? It will take 4 or 5 years for you minimum. So what options you are looking for you after PhD? Why you joined it?
Actually, my motive to join, to go for direct PhD was only that I want to pursue my career as a professor. Okay. And if I wanted to go for an MSc, I already had a job. But so anyhow, anywhere, I wanted that in future, I want to work as a professor towards this lane only.
That's why, sir, I joined PhD, because anyhow after MTech I had to do PhD. So it's better, sir, I am pursuing PhD right now only, because it will definitely save my time also.
Okay.
You know, 2 years is a huge time. So, and of course there will be many career opportunities, sir. And I've seen the students' profile there also. They are working as a professors, and in very good institutes. They are
Yes.
getting called from very good institutes. The students who have graduated, the
Yes.
students who have studied from IITs.
That's true, because I'm recording nowadays the experience of those who have done PhDs from IITs and where they are. So I'm finding that they are all over globe, you know, in different good universities doing postdoctorate fellowship, earning very good. And yes, if somebody does serious work in PhD, then opportunities are tremendous. There are so many opportunities, starting from doing job in R&D department of corporate to becoming faculty in some universities, going for PDFs, starting your own venture. So all opportunities exist, Surbi. Depends how you put effort. That is true. Now, Surbi, you said that you wrote GATE first time, you could not qualify. Then you, along with job, you wrote, you got low GATE score, but still you could convert it into PhD. Looks like quite motivational. So, last word from your side for all the students who get low, GATE score, but their CGPA is good, and then they lose heart that they may not get anything. You just told me before the interaction that, sir, I was also a little negative that I may not get something. So now, because you are on other side of the table, you've got it now. So I want to take your words for those students कि अगर आपका स्कोर कम भी है गेट में और आपका सीजीपी अच्छा है, still hope exists and you should keep pushing so that you get really good opportunity through this gate score. So your words to those students.
Frankly, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट भी दे रही थी मैं अभी भी मैं एनआईटी में हूँ बट मैं स्टिल मेरा जब तक आईआईटी का रिजल्ट नहीं आया था आई वाज स्टिल प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माय गेट आई वाज लाइक कि मेरे को देना है आई हैड टू गेट अ गुड स्कोर बिकॉज इफ आई कैन गेट 362 आई कैन गेट 462 आल्सो स्टिल द इट्स ओनली सर डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस सो मैं स्टिल यहाँ पर आकर भी गेट का मैं अपनी सारी बुक्स लेकर आई हूँ एंड आई हैव आल्सो गॉट माय नोट्स एंड एवरीथिंग and I'm still preparing for it because I think that you should never give up. At last, you will definitely get what you want. Even this year, I was not at all expecting, sir. But one of my friend, he motivated me. My family motivated me that you should go, you should do it, you should at least apply. So, sir, definitely the attitude of not giving up and definitely the support from your friend, a very good friend and family matters a lot. So, frankly saying, in my case, it matters a lot. मेरे फ्रेंड ने और मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करा है इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम.
So everybody has very close friends and everybody has supporting families also. So the message is that they should listen to those who are supporting, listen to their views. I mean, there are different kind of people, those who support also, and then there are people who demotivate you also. Depends आप किसकी सुन रहे हैं, वो बहुत important है.
और गिव अप तो नहीं करना चाहिए. मतलब अगर मेरा गेट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मेरा क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ, मुझे जॉब भी मिल गया था, अगर मैं जॉब करती तो भी ठीक था, बट सेकंड अटेम्प्ट मैंने दिया और अगर इन केस में नहीं रहती तो शायद मैं यहाँ पर नहीं बैठी हूँ.
सही है.
तो ये बहुत मैटर करते हैं कि आप गिव अप नहीं कर रहे हो अपनी ड्रीम्स में, चाहे आपको जितना भी टाइम लगे, बट सर गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट मैंने एक वीडियो भी देखा था, आईआईटी का ही था, एक गर्ल का, आई वाज लुकिंग थ्रू इट. सो उसने आई थिंक 6 टाइम्स गेट अटेम्प्ट किया था and now she is sitting in ISC Bangalore. तो सर ये बहुत मोटिवेट करता है कि कितना सब मतलब कितने इस एटीट्यूड से सब चल रहे हैं और गिव अप नहीं कर रहे, इतने अटेम्प्ट्स दे रहे हैं, तो फिर हम क्यों नहीं दे सकते.
True, Surbi. So that is actually the thing. You should get inspiration from such stories, and I'm very sure आपकी story भी inspiration बच्चों को लगेगी, because you know when you do not have hope and you get something because of your efforts, effort तो करना ही पड़ता है, that is precondition. But उसके बाद भी कई बार आप बहुत होपफुल नहीं होते. Still, if you get the things, it is great. So thanks a lot, Surbi, for your time, and we wish you all the very best for your career ahead. Thank you.